facial kit, and this is Azure Insta facial kit enriched with mulberry and gold dust. It is a 4 easy steps. It is a facial kit, and I bought this purifying cleanser plus toner Azure brand, and this daily moisturizer, and I bought this vitamin C facial foam. See, this is of kakada plum and vitamin C, and I bought this uh, vitamin C gel cream. Can you see this? It is Azure brand enriched with kakada plum, vitamin C, and pomegranate. And I bought this face wash. So it is enriched with carrot and neem seed oil beads. I bought this uh, Azure natural face scrub enriched with papaya plum extract, which is papaya scrub. And I bought this sunscreen Azure natural brand enriched with marshmallow and olive extract. And I bought this instant glow face pack, and these are the things I bought. So see this, these are the packages. Can you see this? So this is the unboxing video of my facial kit. Thank you. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel for the further videos. Comment me in the comment section. Thank you.